My English learning routine. Hello, everyone. My name is Amit, and today I want to share my English learning routine. Learning English is an important part of my daily life because I want to speak confidently and communicate with people from around the world. Every morning I wake up at 6:00 a.m. After brushing my teeth and taking a bath, I spend about 20 minutes reading an English story or a newspaper article. Whenever I find a new word, I write it down in my notebook along with its meaning and an example sentence. After breakfast, I listen to English podcasts or watch short English videos. I carefully pay attention to the pronunciation and try to repeat each sentence exactly as the speaker says it. This helps me improve my speaking and listening skills. In the afternoon, I practice grammar for about 30 minutes. Then I write a short paragraph about my day or any interesting topic. Writing every day helps me organize my thoughts and learn how to make correct sentences. In the evening, I stand in front of a mirror and speak in English for 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes I pretend that I am a teacher, and other times I imagine that I am giving a speech to a large audience. Even if I make mistakes, I do not stop speaking because I know that mistakes are part of learning. Before going to bed, I revise all the new words I learned during the day. I also read one short English story to improve my reading skills and increase my vocabulary. Finally, I think about what I learned and make a plan for the next day. At first, learning English was difficult. I often forgot words, made grammar mistakes, and felt nervous while speaking. But instead of giving up, I practiced every day. Slowly, I noticed that I could understand more English, speak more confidently, and express my ideas more clearly. Now, English is not just a subject for me. It is a skill that opens new opportunities. My daily routine teaches me that success does not come from studying for one day. It comes from practicing every day with patience, consistency, and confidence. Moral: small daily efforts lead to big success. Practice English every day, and you will become a confident speaker.